Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of fixing a restricted account in the World app. The first reason could be identity verification. WorldCoin requires users to verify their identity to keep accounts secure. If your account is restricted, it may be because your verification was incomplete or rejected. Open the World app and check if you have a message asking for additional documents or a new verification attempt. Tap on the prompt and you will be guided to schedule an orb appointment. The orb is a physical device that scans your iris to confirm you are a real person and that you only have one account. Another reason for restriction can be unusual account activity. If the system detects logins from different devices or locations, it may block your account for safety. To fix this, go to the help section in the app and contact support. Explain that you own the account and provide the details they request, such as the email linked to your account. Sometimes restrictions are temporary and can last a few hours to a few days. If you recently updated your app or submitted verification, give it some time and then check again. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to fix your restricted account and regain access to WorldCoin services. Thanks for watching.